Hey guys, it's a Barefoot Angler. Hope you're well and good to see you all again. If you're new to this channel, I post videos on fishing sessions, tutorials, tech and reviews. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Wasabi Power extended battery for GoPro Hero 5, 6 and 7. So we'll talk about what comes in the box, my thoughts after using it for a couple of weeks, and is this right for you and is it worth it? Alright, let's get right into it.
Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about the Wasabi Power extended battery for the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the 6 and the 5 as well. So I normally take out two standard GoPro batteries when I go out fishing, and I'm starting to find that I'm running out of battery really quickly. So I bought this from eBay for around $60 with shipping. So let's see what comes on the box and go from there. GoPro bolt and the little attachment, and that's the GoPro cover. Let's compare it against a standard size GoPro cover. So this is the standard size one, and then this is the extended size. So it does add a little bit of, it's almost double the width. That's the charging cable, pretty straightforward, and that's the battery extender itself. There you go. Okay, and that comes with a little port as well, so whilst you have it plugged in, you can still use that port to use as a charging or power mount. Alright, let's plug it into the GoPro and see what it looks like. Alright, so to plug it in, you get the GoPro. You take this little housing, take that clip, pull it out, take that off, and you get the battery, and there's the USB-C port, and that goes there. So keep in mind, this doesn't lock in place, so if you let it go, the GoPro just falls off. So make sure to hold it like this, and then you get the cover and you expand it and put that through. There you go. Like that. And you get the clip, put it there, and bolt it on. Shows how much battery it's got. It's charging port.
So after using this for a couple of weeks, here are some of the positive things that I've experienced. One being the weight. It adds 100 grams to the standard GoPro camera and battery, which is fairly lightweight. And as you can see in this photo, I mounted to the brim of my hat, and I've got no issues with comfort or the camera sagging over. It also has double the capacity of a standard GoPro battery, which roughly gives you 2 hours of continuous recording at 1080p 24 frames a second. That's the settings that I use in my camera, and roughly 6 hours standby stop-start recording at 1080p 24 frames per second, and I've got Hypersmooth, Pro Tune and things like that enabled as well. Also has a micro USB port for charging, and you can charge it whilst it's plugged into the camera as well, and also has a battery indicator, which is quite cool. So let's talk about some of the drawbacks. One, it's only compatible with GoPro Black versions 5, 6 and 7, so if you've got a silver or white, it's not for you. And one of the biggest drawbacks for most people would be once you take the side clip off, then the GoPro is no longer waterproof. So that's a big drawback. And also, once you've got it plugged in, you no longer are able to access the back screen or the memory card slot. There's a way around it by turning on Wi-Fi and using it via the app, but again, it is a drawback. Also takes around 4 hours to charge the battery pack, and putting the case on can be challenging at the start. Here's a clip when I first tried to put it on.
Like so. It's a little bit hard doing it. There you go.
So is it worth it? Well, that depends. If you're wanting to take it underwater, then it's a no. But if you're looking to shoot long time lapses, or like me, out on the water for about 6 hours, have it on standby, record whenever you want to, not having to change batteries constantly, then it's a yes. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a mate, all that good stuff. And if you got any questions or comments, drop us a note below, and I'll look forward to chatting with you guys there. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks heaps for watching.